Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the Python version and choosing isolation, virtualenv or conda. Once done, create a new environment with the target Python release so you don't break projects. Then activate that environment and immediately upgrade pip and setup tools. This avoids install errors later. Make sure dependencies compile by installing wheel. You're starting the change now rather than modifying a global interpreter, because isolation keeps your notebooks reproducible and safe throughout the upgrade process. Next, you install ipykernel inside the new environment so Jupyter can see the interpreter. After that, register the kernel with a clear name. This makes the new interpreter selectable from notebook interfaces. Then install any notebook-specific libraries you need: NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and so on into the same environment to ensure code runs without import errors. Once the kernel is registered and packages are in place, restart Jupyter Notebook or Jupyter Lab to refresh the available kernels list. Finally, open your notebook and switch to the newly registered kernel from the kernel menu. This connects the notebook to the upgraded Python. Run a few representative cells and check Python version and imports to verify everything works. If you prefer, uninstall the old kernel entries to avoid confusion. If something goes wrong, one key troubleshooting tip: check the kernel startup logs and recreate the environment if ipykernel appears misinstalled, because rebuilding a clean env often resolves hidden dependency conflicts.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.